This book is a celebration of nature. My connection to nature began in childhood. My memory is steeped in the magic of nature's seasonal gifts, which I eagerly anticipated. Colors, textures, and materials have a way of appealing to our senses while providing an endless source of beauty. Natural Tables will guide you in setting an array of nature-inspired tablescapes for any season. Explore what nature can bring to your table.